This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Ashley Link. Appraised for $580,000 in June 2023. This early 21st century colonial boasts a traditional, timeless design while offering an airy floor plan, plenty of storage, and other modern conveniences desired by today's homeowner. The first floor is comprised of a flex area currently used as an elegant sitting room, formal dining room, and the large family room flows seamlessly into the fantastic eat-in kitchen complete with quartz countertops, white cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. Upstairs find two sizable bedrooms, shared hallway bath, and massive primary suite with large space perfect for home office or gym, walk-in closet, and ensuite bath. Other notable features include front porch, hardwood floors, first floor laundry off kitchen attached 2-car garage, patio perfect for entertaining, a detached 2-car garage, and an almost full 1-acre private lot. For more information, review the details below.